Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I got a new wig. Who doesn't like a new wig? Definitely not me. And who doesn't like unboxing new items? Definitely not me. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing this new wig from Unice hair, and I bought this wig from Amazon, and I'll be giving my review, my honest review on this wig. So guys, quick one, I would like to mention that before getting this wig I was really skeptical about buying a wig online, because I have never actually bought a wig from an online store, and I've read multiple reviews about how people talk about how it was a totally bad idea for them to buy wigs. But I have coconut head, I'm stubborn. I said to go ahead and buy a wig online. Well, what they say about experience is the best teacher, right? So I said to like get my own experience and give an honest review about that. And then I got this hair from Unice hair on Amazon, and I'll be unboxing it in this video. Stay with me guys. So guys, this is an 18-inch BodyWave wig. This is an 18-inch BodyWave wig, and it was retailed for $99.99, and in Nigeria currency that's roughly 45k. So that was how much I got this wig for, and I had it delivered, doorstep delivery, for another $26. So that's roughly $126 that I spent on this wig. So I'll be unboxing it in this. I'll be unboxing it now. Okay. Yep. I have opened my box, and this is it. So this is my wig. This is my wig. 18-inch BodyWave airband wig. It came with a lash extension, and this is so amazing because I am such a huge fan of lash extensions. Like, I absolutely love lash extensions, and this one is so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, this is so pretty guys. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. I can't wait to try these lashes on. I cannot wait. Guys, watch out for my makeup tutorials. I'm going to use these falsies on one of my makeup tutorials, so stay tuned guys. And my order also came with these two airbands, and they're so pretty. I'm not a big fan of pink, but this looks really pretty, right? Yeah, and then there is this. Okay. Alright, a wig cap, and then this. Apparently I have a saved enjoy Unice hair 10% coupon for your next purchase. Coupon love Unice, and says want to win and review the Unice hair, get your chance here. Unice.uniceextension.com, blah 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 blah. So this is probably an handout on how to treat your hair, I guess. Sure. So guys, now I'm going to take out my wig and actually see how this looks, or how it actually feels. Okay. Okay. I actually love full hairs, and I don't know if it's because I've not put this on yet, but it does not look super full as I would love for it to look. Oh, I didn't mention guys, but this is an headband wig, so it actually comes with an headband. that is why it's looking like this. And these are the clips for the wig. So the texture of the hair actually feels super nice, like it feels really nice. And now I'm going to put this on, guys, so you guys can see how it looks on me. Guys, I would like to quickly mention before I go on to review the wig itself, I would like to review the vendor I bought the wig from, Unice Hair. And I would like to say that the ordering process was super easy. Originally when I made an order for this hair, it was out of stock, but immediately the hair got back in stock. My order was shipped immediately. And it took literally 12 to 14 days for my order to arrive here in Nigeria. Okay, this is actually super tight. I don't know if it's that I have a really big head, but this feels super tight anyways. But it fits perfectly, guys. Again, I have to mention the feel of this hair is super nice. Like, can you see? It's super nice. And then I'm just going to attach this at the back. Guys, this wig actually looks amazing. Like I said, the hair is not as full as I would want it to be because I actually love like really full hairs. I like my hair really full and I don't like scanty hairs. But this one is quite a bit scanty. But again, the texture makes up for it because it feels super nice and super amazing. Now I'm just going to apply one of these so I can look super cute. So guys, I went on to fix one of my hair bands and this is super nice. Like, I love it. Again, I'm just going to like comb the hair just so you see how super nice the texture of this hair is. I have to emphasize on the texture of this hair because I don't know, but I so much love how it actually feels. So that is why I'm emphasizing on that. I love how this hair feels. It is super nice. Especially for the price, it is super nice. And another thing that I love about this hair is the fact that it's an headband wig. So if you are rushing to go out, you don't have to go through the stress and struggle of trying to lay your edges, trying to, you know, like the old troubles that comes with and slaying a frontal wig. Is super easy to wear because it's an headband wig. All you just have to do, you just have to put it on your hair, wear your headband, and you are good to slay to perfection. I am super in love with this wig, and I think I will patronize the vendor over and over again, and I will recommend you guys should also buy from Unice Hair. This is a super amazing wig. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Please, don't you want to be part of my fam? Don't you want to see my pretty face all the time? Please hit the subscribe button. And also, if you are a pre-existing subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you so much, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye and take care of yourselves.
I wouldn't change a thing.